How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Ricky Lagambe here, and I'm proud and excited to talk about this Buell by Harley Davidson. You know, Buell's been around for a minute, starting in 1983 by Eric Buell, but Harley Davidson took over it. Make the story short, like around 2003, somewhere around there, I believe they took most of the shares of the Buell American Motorcycle Company. See, what's great about this is Harley Davidson always wanted a race bike. That's why they chopped it up and talked with Eric Buell, and they came up with a design, and that's what Buell by Harley Davidson is all about. So they started with the race bike with a Harley Davidson motor. So I'm not gonna get too much into details of the history and this and that. I just kind of want to concentrate specifically on this bike right here. This one, this 1200 XB 1200ss Lightning. So without further ado, I'm going to talk about the bike. I'm going to show you guys the upgrades and what if or not. We're going to take it for a test drive, and then after the test drive, I will let you guys know what I personally think about it. So with that said, let's make it happen, Captain. Let's do it. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. This is the 2009 XB1200ss. As you guys can see, she is so beautiful. And I'm gonna just start talking about her. She's got a belt drive, belt driven. She's got that fender eliminator with aftermarket taillights and smoke signals. Brand new Michelin tires in the rear. Disc brakes also in the rear. The swing arm right here. Some of you guys might not know, is also oil tank for the motor. It's got that Sportster motor in there, of course, with a high performance Jardine exhaust system, very expensive, oil cool. I like the way the sitting position is, and as you guys can see, this gas tank right here is not really where the gas go. You put the gas right there, and it's the frame. Believe it or not, this motorcycle frame is what holds the gas for this motorcycle. Yeah, all that is highly engineered, highly designed. Jardine full exhaust system, like I said, is also matched up with a racing ECM CDI computer. Also high performance intakes, air filters, K&N, oil cooled, beautiful high performance front forks, inverted forks. Also got that aftermarket racing handlebars with side cafe racer signals and side mirrors, dual headlights. I love this perimeter disc, braking disc with a 3-piston racing calipers. So it's got some powerful braking system matched up with that high performance front, inverted forks with still braided lines. And I tell you, this is gorgeous high performance motorcycle. So I'm sure there's a lot of things I'm also missing, but without further ado, let's go take her for a ride. Here we go. I just want to make sure we got everything tight. Yup. Let's do this. Yeah, this Buell is beautiful, man. She purrs like a kitten. It's fuel injection. And yeah, she's hella cool. She's got 30,000 miles. Like I said, fuel injection, good power. So I'm pretty excited to take her for a test drive. She's still cold, so it is what it is. position when you are hunched down on the bike. Knees up, pegs are pretty high because this is supposed to handle turns like it's on rails. Oh yeah, man, I'm loving this bike. I'm loving this bike. Shifts good. Very torquey. Alright, here we go. First gear. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Still a lot more to go. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So this is that Buell. It did everything I was expecting it to do. You know, it's a great high performance race bike with a heart and soul for Harley Davidson. Sound like a Harley Davidson, rode like a Harley Davidson, with all the blinks and whistles, the suspension, the braking system, stop on a dime, the suspension handles the turns like it's on rails. You know, the tires are doing its job, high performance. I mean, this thing sounded like a beast, so it was a lot of fun to drive. And you know, like I said, you know, they only made like 127, I believe, thousand. So I got one of the top ones on my hand. So it is what it is. So peace out. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, go like, and share. Thanks.